Good morning again. I'm on the road. I'm getting a lock for my door. Me never have said that, don't it? Yeah, but I get a lock for my door. What else do I need? What else do I need? I needed something, but I forget. Oh, motion light. Motion light. You know, motion light, like when you go under the light, it comes on for people who understand. Oh. I'm not sure how. Which one can you get that? Upstairs. The light. Alright. So tell me how I come in the town. Taxi! And I didn't walk with no money. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't even make no sense at all. Oh, my gosh. My only carry me fear. Oh my god. I didn't even realize. Oh my gosh, there's some nice fish there now. Then how am I going to work it out? How am I going to function without money? I don't even want to even drive again. I don't have no money. I don't have no money, honey. I see some nice fish there. The man have nice fish. I don't have no money. I don't have no money at home. And I don't have money on the street. Go figure. I didn't even remember. Jeez. Them fish that look good, man. Jeez. The fish that look good. And you know that there, you know. Can I go? Morning. Next thing you're gonna bounce me down. Hey, the other day, me saw garbage truck hit. A garbage truck hit an old man. No. Alright. Jeez, and why do I call to everybody on the street? Jeez. That's a habit I need to cut out. The people in the way over there, so I may stretch my hand to call to them. That don't even make no sense. Oh, it look like people live up there, so. People live upstairs up there, so. Upstairs, the bulla shops, to the people. Jeez, fish then look good, eh? Much for £1? £2? Much for £2? Oh man, I never have no money probably. Alright, take care. Can I look good, eh? I'm sorry, I don't have no money, but I say go. If I didn't go to the hardware, I wouldn't realize that I don't have no money. And you know what? I leave my house to go to the doctor. How comes you're going to the doctor, have no money? Well, I'm going to make an appointment for who's this? I'm going to make an appointment first and then see what's up. Wow. She's sending the child to school and he's not going. That's what she's saying. He doesn't want to go to school. Well. Let's go eye shop in this place they call Courts. It's okay, no put me down. No one go to school. It's crazy. Hello. Good morning. Well, you know what I'm going to do, people? Oh, this is not the place for me to buy my washing machine. I'm just looking at some machines. Washing machine. Speaking it into being. Oh God, Frigidaire. How much for this? Good morning. How much for this, please?
Hold on.
This is not bad. And this is plastic, miss? Plastic? Metal? Okay.
Hold on.
This is a nice
kg.
Frigidaire.
Yeah.
Yeah, Frigidaire. So what you do first is to start looking at the machine, looking at the stuff that you want, and then you will, what they say, manifest it. So you first think about it, then you seek out about it, then you will manifest it. Yeah. Oh, the plan is to go to the doctor, right? Make an appointment to see the dentist. But I want to look at some. What quartz? Do I want to buy it in quartz though? No. But I'm just checking it out. What? Oh. I don't know how. I like this one. I like this one because of the color, number one. And I don't think, oh, she says it's metal, then about metal or metad. What's the word? Y'all know I'm not good at no words calling at all. My teeth are hurting me. How much? 130. Oh, that is the cash. Everything. No, all right. Dang. Dude, it's crazy. Well, guess what? $130,000 for that washing machine. Whoa! Woo! No, sir. So much money for a washing machine, brother. And you know, considering where I live, that's my problem. That's my problem, really, you know. Look how your hair comb nice and you don't want to go to school. Anyways, 130,000 for washing machine. My gosh, that's crazy. That's a lot. Anyways, we manifest it. Oh, the manifestation, something they go. Really, how it goes. You want some outfit? How the manifestation, something go. So, Frigidaire is the brand fridge that I have. You understand? So, let's think about it. What if I'm going to buy it at Quartz? I don't want to be paying stuff because Quartz. Oh boy. I have a question sign at Quartz. So let's go to Singers. Singer is my place anyways. And it's Indian men. The Indians are my go-to. Yeah. But let's go to Singers and see. So Frigidaire, the size on the one that I looked at was for $100 and something. So let's see. Eventually, them set you're nice. Talk truth. Them nice. Oh, Frigidaire washing machine. $113,000, $995. The same thing, what this are the same price up here, so see there. Yeah. People, what to think? Can I do this though? Can I manage? Can I triangle this? But this is white. I don't want a white washing machine. Can I handle this? But this one is a 43,000. What the hell is this? What's going on? So can somebody tell me what's going on? And this is plastic, you know. So what in your sour? So what is this? Really? What's this? Oh, cycle clear. Okay. But this is not bad, you know. This is not bad. Can somebody explain this to me? And this is actually plastic, people. I wonder if this is okay. What brand is this? Frigidaire. Can I get an assistance? How do I call for an assistance? Assistance, please. Yeah. Dang, this is not bad. I wonder if we can manage it. Dang, I should have bought it for my birthday. I wasted time. So I didn't vlog with it. No, they're not on it. Don't be. No, monsieur, is it on something after say? Oh, yeah. So it's actually not. I think I looked at the wrong thing. It's actually not that expensive. It's $90,000 or $1,000 for it here at Singer and at Quartz as well. But the other one that the first one at Singers that I look at, that is too small. Because the main reason for me to be getting the machine is to help me with my towels, my sheets, and of course my curtains. You know, I close them too, but that is the main reason I want it. You know, to wash my heavy stuff. I can't manage no more. Honestly, people, it's not because I know other reason. Mom, I'm tired. So I know I'm not can pay down for something. Talk truth. Oh, I can't manage no more. Seriously. I can't manage no more. So we won't be buying no patties at work. We won't be doing certain things, alright? We will be thinking about a washing machine. But before we think about the washing machine, I'm going to go to make my appointment at the dentist. Because I think something is going on. Yeah. Oh yeah. So the next stop is the dentist. Oh my gosh. They shall be satisfied with. So people, guess what? I have something excited for you guys. You all. Oh, the town sounds so noisy. Jesus. So this is a nice pizza place there. Yeah. They shall be. I don't want to go to my workplace. I don't want to even pass my workplace on my day off. So what I'll do, open this and then sell the nice soup. So we're going to walk here and go check my dentist out. Let me go. Jesus. I'm hoping did it or something. Oh Lord. I think my dentist is right there. My dentist is right there. I wonder if I can walk here. Let me see. Can you believe I'm coming to the doctor and I leave no money? That doesn't even make sense. Can I walk here? Oh, it's locked. I don't even have no money. No money at all. Is where me going. I'm not going to the doctor because if I was, I would have money, you know.
Right, bananas?
No, ma'am. Them look nice though. Yeah, man. Thanks. Banana, they look nice too. Them look hi. Look genuine. Genuinely ripe, like not force ripe. Jesus. Good morning. Afternoon. I bet it is not there. Shop 9 at KFC. See the place nice to see people. Oh, place nice to see people. Good, good, good.
Yes, ma'am. You print it for me?
Yeah, this place is so nice.
And you come out?
Wednesday would be very nice. They just switch my day off and put me on Thursday and Wednesday now.
The thing is that I have an appointment for somebody to put in there.
Not big you do. I get up last week, Tuesday, and right as I swell up, they have sinus issues too. Something like, oh, that is so nice. That's something.
The phone number is still 315?
No, love it. Damn, I got my appointment sorted out. Too long. Anyways, it is what it is. Because bear in mind that I didn't come prepared. I thought I had money, honey, but I don't. Who does that? Who does that? So what else we're going to do now? We're going to the place they call Farmy Building, and Jesus. Oh, what the? They say in the morning, I want it with KFC, you know. People are gonna buy them chicken. People are gonna buy them chicken. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm feeling happy. It's okay. It is okay. I'm really thinking more. Well, I don't know. But my dentist people, they don't take card here. They don't take card. The dentist up KFC. They own a KFC in Port Antonio, so you can't. Which KFC? That is it. That is it. That is it. Today's a lovely day, you know, man. Dang. You see that? Boy, this Port Antonio have a lot of mentally ill people, you know, and they are, some of them look harmful. Oh hell. Break every chain. I like this Jeep right here. We're not going to put the people them number in there, but I love the Jeep. I love the Jeep, you know. I like the Jeep there, you know. Hello. I like the Jeep there, you know. So work I go on behind the market. Oh, I market this behind there. What's behind there? I don't even know. I don't know how. Oh yes, this is behind the market. So they're building. Oh, they're building stuff over there. Oh, so the mad guy come over this side, so I need to go over on the other side. Yeah, I am afraid of them. I wonder if I can get somebody to take my picture for me, because I think I look nice. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. I wonder if this lady can take picture. No, she can't take picture good. From me see her, me know say she gonna tell me say okay, stand up. Jeez, Paul, oh nice. It's the usual thing. Yep. So I got my pictures taken. Don't play with me. And I found that her name is what? Her name is there. Her name is what? For some reason she looks like my she looks like one of my cousins. I don't know. She just looked like one of my cousins that is in so and so place, you know. Yeah, you, yes. The girl looked like, the lady looked like you. She's not, yeah, but she looked like you. She reminds me of you. Anyways, today's a great day. And I'm heading towards the Farmy building. Let's check the Farmy building out. Okay. So this is the Farmy building in Port Antonio. I guess everybody has seen it at some point or the other. But this is a great Farmy. Oh my gosh, I forget so many things. I need to take my pants in, like sew my pants. I have a pants that is big. Yeah, but it's okay. Let me show you details of the building. Yeah, see that? Yeah. That's it. Let's go inside. I made a purse for you. I feel like a tourist. Down. I'm going to post the pictures tonight. Hello. Yeah man, me the boat still. And what I'm about, what do I, why am I even I'm gonna get something to drink at my favorite place. Alright. Good evening, ma'am. Hello. Want something nice to drink? No, me I tell them to miss them want something nice. Me like your skirt. Me a vlog. Huh? You said me a kind of vlog.
Okay. So fruits?
Yeah. Fruits, yeah.
How long time I left in them?
Yeah, maybe because your notification not on. Sometimes, oh, well, I don't know.
I don't know why.
Sometimes.
Not all.
Not come up.
Because Instagram notification on some people and it still not come up.
I don't know what one. Sometimes they don't come up.
Sometimes how long after?
Yeah? Oh, yeah. That's what.
So when I tell me that's like often.
Yeah. I don't know, but we still do my thing, you know.
How is it going?
It's alright, you know. Still now get the watch hours, but I'm working on it. Everything takes time, you know. And might not my time yet. When my time comes,
You'll shine.
I'll shine, baby. How much for it now, please?
5. But like a natural look, afro.
Yeah. That's how we roll.
Yeah. Like earthy.
Earth tone, not you.
Yeah.
Me too. If I'm
If even bright,
yeah.
still no like, you know, them outrageous.
Right. Me have a lot of them. I might have a couple minutes somewhere. It just feels nice. Just put on one little tights or something underneath it. Can choose the shoes we wear.
Yeah.
And you're good. Nice man. Comfortable.
And then the day we reach real roots, we don't even need shoes.
Need shoes, not you?
I'm gonna keep
True.
Like,
For real.
it's true. I want simple slippers I want barefoot.
Yep. Yep.
Make one with nature.
Yep. And it's good, you know. This, I don't remember what they said. I should walk barefoot.
Yeah, good. That's why people live in a house, like house, outside, all of them, you know, we use sticks. But back then, you never have to believe in sticks. Or the people stick like how they stick now.
No, true. It's a man. As somebody say, when we were younger, we used to go outside and all over the
Only
place.
when you get cut by your foot.
Yeah.
Get cool.
No, we just a six so. Oh yeah. Damn.
There's a lot of people standing there that are like,
What's going on?
yeah.
They
They become more alert.
Yes, 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 yes.
Whenever someone has me alert.
Yeah. That's my stuff. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me get out of here.
Oh yeah, right.
Let's get out of town, George. Not now, man. That's our one-off skin. Thanks, here. Thank you. Yeah, man, good. That's what's up. Want we go upstairs? Look here, this tastes good. I don't even know what is in it. Honestly, it's not the place. Them stairs are them pretty people. See how them pretty? Me will if you. Hello. I think coffee everywhere.
Get a spicy one. Spicy? Get a spicy. Get the chicken box.
Sorry. This is the hair place, you know. It's pointless looking at hair stuff because I don't use all them ear stuff. Let me show you what's going on. Everything here, people. I don't quite remember. This taste tamarind. This is so good. Excuse me, please. The taste tamarind. People remind me I need to go to the supermarket to get coconut oil. Dang, gotta go. All them stuff. Some nail business done. Oh, I know what I want. I know what I want. I'll put back. This straw is big. My hat be blowing off my head, man. So, the drink is nice, but something inside there kind of tickling my throat. This cold drink is doing that job, you know, cold drink. So, I'll be going home now. I go to the supermarket. I'm going to the supermarket and then I go home. I shouldn't take out the fish. A lot of people, I forget to take out the fish. I want to cook fish and I want to cook fish and pumpkin. Okay. Jeez, no, stop. I need to stop calling to people. Hello. He's so handsome. He's so handsome. Hello, baby, can put me in the garbage? Can put me in the garbage? Thank you so much. What about that? Thank you. Thank you. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. This is not my regular supermarket, but I just need one item. When I say one, I mean it. One item. I just need coconut oil. So guess what, people? I came in this supermarket seeking a job before I got my job, and he told me I was to come back. But guess what? I like where I'm at. God is so good. Coconut milk, coconut oil. Oh, this is not the one that I want. This is not the one that I want. Cold press. No, this will be good enough, but that's not the one that I want. This is the one that I'm going to be using. Yep. So they don't have the this is it. But the only ones. Open the eyes of my heart. Yes, people, so I got my hair can roll. I'm going to yeah, this is the beat for my hair. Yep. So I bought some things to decorate my hair accessories. I wonder how them do it. Let me see something. Yep. Hold on. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Where is it? Do I fall? Please don't fall. Please don't fall. So this is the ear accessories. Yeah. It come like earring, you know. Dang, I'm going to wear them. I'm going to wear them in my hair. This is nice. So it's just $300. So it's just $300 for them. Just $300. Hope there's no cat in the house, because I'll go crazy. So you pull it like this, they say. What is going on? Let me see how I can, if I get something to pull it. And just put some here. Oh my God! The grill was open. Dang, let's check the fish. I'm serious. The grill was open all this time. Oh my gosh. Let's check the fish. So I'm going to use this knife and pull it. Pull it. I need a phone card. How do I pull this thing here now? Ah, got you. Pull it with a piece of cloth, yeah, wide open. And then I'm going to put it like this. Wonder if that. And then I put it like this. And then you do that. Is it? Is that so? Yeah! Fandangles. So how should I do this? Put one here. Put one here. I need to come and get into this kitchen because I need to cook some nice food. So how does this look? Oh, but I have to thing that back and I'll put it like, use that thing and push it down.